we've made it another year. Happy birthday.
So in this video, you'll see how my day went from this to this. But it started with something that I've never done before.
We have never woken up like this before. I think ever, not even once in Canada. For a sunrise. We've seen a lot of sunsets, but never a sunrise. That's why I wanted to do that today.
So we decided to head down towards the lakeshore as I was sure that we would get a perfect rising sun there. And we made it right on time. The sun was just starting to come out.
Will you wake with me in the sunrise, sunrise, sunrise? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What a beautiful morning. Happy birthday, Peekaboo. Lots of love and happiness and success to you. Love you.
This was a perfect morning. Our first sunrise ever. Yeah. This is the only thing I really wanted to do on my birthday. And I'm happy I did it. I think I should do this more often.
The feeling of getting up so early in the morning is not good, but when you come here, it's 100% worth it. Look how beautiful everything looks. So peaceful, relaxing. I'm also going to do on my birthday.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure.
So I motivated you?
Yes.
Just a nice way to start the morning. I think the best way to start the morning.
Yeah.
Gosh, the sunrise was spectacular. It sure made getting out of bed worthwhile. I enjoyed it so much that I think it might become a birthday tradition. We'll see. And then came back-to-back surprises.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo is getting ready for brunch, and before that, I think she has a surprise. Hey, thank you so much.
It's okay.
Woo.
Thank you,
No.
Oh, this looks really good. It's huge.
Hey! Happy birthday to you.
Balloons! Did you do this?
Birthday is incomplete without balloons.
But I swear I wasn't expecting this at all. Wow, they look so pretty. Okay, now it actually feels extra good. I just asked Saranj, do you have anything else coming? I don't know, now I'm expecting things, okay. Just kidding. But yeah guys, it's my birthday today. I finally turned 31. I feel so old, I can't tell you, but anyways, we'll talk about that later. Right now I'm super hungry, so we are heading to this very popular cafe here in Oakville, which is called the Kerr Street Cafe, and they don't accept any reservations, so we have to just walk in. So let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. It's my birthday. I'm sure God will give us 2 seats. Let's go. Okay, it's packed. So finally, after just 10 minutes of wait, we got the seat. I'm really excited to try breakfast here. The pictures looked really good. The reviews were amazing, and I'm sure it's gonna be good. So what do we order? Pancakes? Because it's my birthday. I think we should. What do you want?
I'm gonna have egg benedict.
Okay, and then obviously coffee.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Wow, look at this. This looks so nice. And even look at this plate. This is good breakfast right here. Let's taste it. This is not over exaggeration. but I think this is one of the best pancakes I've ever had. Wow. This peanut butter mousse on top with this chocolate maple syrup, this entire combination, I did not expect it to be that great, but wow. I couldn't have asked for more. This is perfect.
It's actually a flavor bomb. I would definitely recommend this place to anyone. This is so good. The food is so flavorful, and this bacon right here, it's perfectly cooked. So crispy, amazing.
Let's switch. That's what we do because we want to just try everything, and you can't try two things at one go, right? So we have half and half. Let me know in the comment section if you do that. What do you think of the pancakes?
They are not heavy at all. They are very fluffy and very light.
Very light.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually the best part.
Peekaboo, what's up?
I'm stuffed. I ate so much because the food was really good, like really top-notch brunch, and now I just don't know how are we going to eat that huge cake Saransh that you got. But that's not the only thing that we're doing today. We're just going to take a quick break at our house and then maybe cut the cake and just relax for some time, and then we're actually heading to downtown. Yeah, stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more fun. And now we are in downtown Oakville.
By the way, guys, we're not going to downtown Oakville. We'll be going to downtown Toronto in a while.
Yeah. It's time to cut the cake. Wow, this looks so yummy. But I want Saransh to come with me. Let's cut the cake together.
Raise a glass.
Make a wish?
Should I tell you the wish? No.
No. I don't want to know. Guys, please make a wish for Peekaboo.
Done.
Happy birthday to you. Sing, guys. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you with all the happiness, love, prosperity, and success. Rise and shine. Lots of love.
It's Ferrero Rocher cake.
Yep. And
It's good. You should eat it too.
from you guys as well. Very yummy.
Thank you so much, Saransh.
Anytime.
I still can't believe I'm 31 already. 31 is like, it's old, no?
No way.
You are 30.
So what?
Saransh is gonna be 31 in like a month.
But I don't feel old. Turning
That's fine.
31 next month.
But okay, now what's the plan? We're heading out again after a long break.
Can't wait. Let's
Yeah.
spend the evening your way.
We're just keeping it all chill. We don't really want to party hard or anything. Like I said, you know, I'm growing old. So yeah, even my outfit says it. Like I'm literally in my comfiest outfit ever. All casual, chill vibe today.
It's her day, whatever she wants to do.
So we're
I'm
just-
gonna party it on my birthday. I think we're getting late.
Let's catch a train and go to downtown. I'll see you there.
Go.
So we took the train and it's literally a party train right now. It's completely packed. There's hardly any space to sit because obviously it's a Saturday. It's a good summer day and I'm really excited to chill in downtown today.
Jumping as it can be. I came to get this party live.
And we have reached downtown and the first spot that we are going to is Saluna. This is a new spot that has opened on Queen Street West and they're fully booked. But Saransh has been able to get one table there and it has all that bohemian vibe. I'm really excited. I've seen all the pictures. It looks beautiful. I'm sure it's going to be fun. But for that, we have to take a streetcar.
I came
Let's
to
go.
get this party jumping as it can be.
It's nice to be back in downtown. It's so lively here.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
Birthday girl. We're super excited.
Let's have some nice cocktails. Wow, this place is a vibe.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, babe.
So guys, cheers to my 31st. And obviously you guys know it, I have to get my espresso martini today. And glad this place serves. And actually this has such a bohemian vibe. I love it. And also they have a rooftop terrace as well. So we got tickets for that too. So we're just going to have a quick bite here because there's no food upstairs, it's only drinks. So we got some Saluna chips. Wow, this is zucchini. And I thought it's just going to be blah, but the server recommended this and oh my god, this is damn tasty. I really wish I could give you a bite right now, but this is... Saransh, you're going to love it. Okay, it's so weird. I wasn't excited for my birthday at all. Like literally, I had no plans. I was like, I'm just gonna be home, watch some Netflix and that's it. But now, I just saw the time and I'm like, I don't want my birthday to get over. It's a weird feeling. But yeah, I'm having a good time and I can't wait to go upstairs. I'm sure it's going to be lit. And then I'm meeting friends later on. I'm getting in the birthday feels now. I can hear the music. Let's go. Let's go. Wow.
Can you feel me? 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 Yeah. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Yeah. Can you feel me?
Whoa, what a place. It definitely gave me Tulum vibes and I would definitely recommend this place for a special occasion. Okay, now we're going to our friend's place and let's take a champagne to celebrate.
There you go. Bye guys.
Where's your dog?
He made my day. Thank you. I just met one of my subscribers. Should I call you subscriber? Okay, you watch the videos. Hi.
So nice.
So really nice to meet you, Ashutosh. And
Same here.
We had a good chat. We were just going to our friend's place now, but when we met him, it just made my day. Like, you know, these little things.
Thanks for supporting. Cheers. Thanks. Thank you. You're welcome.
We're going to meet our friends. We are here.
Woo! Man, looking serene.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Say hi, guys.
Happy birthday!
And then we chilled on the rooftop with our friends with this amazing CN Tower view. And what's next? Obviously, the after party continued. This wasn't the plan, but you know, the best thing is to just go with the flow. But it overflowed way too much. You know what I mean, right? And then I got a surprise, another cake cutting to end my birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Pooja. Happy birthday to you.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Quick!
No cake here.
No, you must.
No.
How dare you say no to me? This is the best.
I don't know why, but I got kind of emotional here and said few words.
Thanks,
Thank you everyone for being a part of my 31st birthday. I'm getting old. Love the small things in life.
There are good ships and wood ships. The ships that sail the sea. But the best ships are friendships. And may they always be.
And hey, not to forget the mandatory, we had a cake fight too. And that's it. This is how I celebrated my birthday. And you know, what's the aftermath of this, right? Yeah, being hungover all day. But I had a great birthday. And also, I just want to thank you for sending all the lovely wishes. And now, I'm just going to crash. So, I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.